probably seen these viral 3D documentary-style videos. In today's tutorial, I'll show you how to create them without a camera, without animation skills, and without spending a single cent. Platforms like TikTok, YouTube Shorts, and Instagram are blowing up with these dramatic 3D clips, videos about ancient history, mysteries, science, and even space. And some creators are getting millions of views using nothing but AI. So in today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to make one, from the idea to the visuals to the animation, using only free tools. This is a step-by-step tutorial that anyone can follow. All right, let's get started. The first thing you want to do is head over to GPT Store. In the search bar, type documentary style 3D generator, then select the first option that appears. This GPT is going to do something really powerful for us. Instead of writing an entire script from scratch, it automatically creates a main scene narration, B-roll text, and detailed image prompts, so you instantly have everything you need for a cinematic sequence without spending hours planning shots. Now, inside the GPT, describe the scene you want. You don't need to overthink this. Just be specific and visual. For example, a single astronaut in a blue spacesuit walks across the surface of an abandoned alien world. Within seconds, you'll get main prompt, extra supporting B-roll descriptions, and image prompts written for AI generators. The more atmospheric and detailed your description is, the more cinematic the results will be. Next, copy the main image prompt only, not the whole script, and paste it into an AI image generator. You can use Nano Banana, great for character consistency, or Whisk AI, amazing at realistic 3D environments. Head over to Whisk AI in Google Labs, paste your prompt here, and generate. Make sure you set the aspect ratio to 16:9. This is super important because it fills the YouTube frame perfectly, you won't get black bars, and it instantly looks more cinematic. If the first result isn't perfect, regenerate it from different angles. Having 2 to 3 variations will make animation smoother later. These are the images we got from Whisk. To use Nano Banana, head over to Gemini and opt for image generation. Paste your prompt and generate. Once your images are ready, it's time to bring them to life. Head over to Flow. It's completely free to use. Here's what you do. Start a new project and upload your images. Opt for frames to video and change the aspect ratio to your desired choice. I'll opt for 16:9. Choose your already uploaded images as your first frame here and then paste your prompt. The prompt I used is from the Brawl prompts I got earlier. Generate your animated clip. Flow is perfect for wide documentary-style movement because it keeps everything smooth and realistic. You can also use LM Arena as an alternative. LM Arena gives you free daily credits and is great for facial movement, lip sync, subtle body motion. A good workflow is use Flow for landscapes and environment shots and use LM Arena when there are characters in the frame. Now it's time to put everything together. Import your clips into any video editor, even a free one, and start arranging your scenes. Then add your voiceover. You can write it using ChatGPT, background music, ambient sound effects. Sound design is what makes documentary videos feel real. Even small details like wind, footsteps, or echo can change the entire mood. For the best results, keep each scene between 5 to 10 seconds. Start with a strong hook. Build curiosity. This is the storytelling style that helps videos go viral. That's how you can create viral 3D documentary videos using only free AI tools. Quick recap. Search for the documentary 3D generator in ChatGPT. Describe your scene, generate 16:9 images using Nano Banana or Whisk. Animate them with Flow or LM Arena. Add voice and sound for a cinematic finish. If you found this helpful, hit the like button. It really supports the channel. Thanks for watching.